On his head, he began to dance around. Oh, Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. Frosty the Snowman knew the... He led them down the streets of town, right to the traffic cop. And he only paused a moment when he heard him holler, "Stop!
Stop!"
It's pretty good.
Poor Frosty the Snowman had to hurry on his way, but he waved goodbye, saying, "Don't you cry, I'll be back again someday."
That was nice, huh?
It's not done.
Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, look at Frosty go. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, over the hills of snow.
That's a good job, Kylie. Good job, baby. Frosty the Snowman, yeah.
What do you think, Emily? You gonna sing? Were you singing too?
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly, happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a busted nose and two eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children